See it over there. Use your phone.
Hunt down and eliminate hostile forces in the area.
I've been here a few times.
I'm under fire.
What the frick? Damn, are you...
But I was prone until somebody walked across me and got me noticed. So I think we need to start picking people up once, you know, we figure this fire thing out.
Yep, I've seen that coming.
Hunt down and eliminate hostile forces in the area. Where the hell are you going? Get back to your team. Where the hell are you going? Get back to your team.
Hostile down.
Picking up a signal from the Recon
So if you got one there, there's some more close.
Mm-hmm.
We've got enemy activity. Marking position now.
Recon tower is back online.
in, Evil. Follow in. Because I'm going to move up and I'm going to make a diversion.
Accessing. Watch my six while I recover the intel.
Frag out. See you in hell. I'm under heavy fire. Frag out.
One hostile remaining. Let's get this done.
He grenade himself. He's stupid.
Enemy forces
What the
neutralized.
fuck? I hit him too. I don't know why I didn't get an assist.
That guy hit himself on a grenade that he tried to kill me with.
Okay, let's go. Stop it. I want to go. Why forgot stop it?
Yes, I'm just playing.
I put my head in there. I put my head in there, something.
Yeah, that's kind of pissed off.
Hunt down and eliminate hostile forces in the area.
Go grab more. We got more. Wait, put it on your end. Okay, take it out. Ay, 열심히 공격.
Picking up a signal from the Recon tower. It'll be active soon.
Down. Down.
Back.
Taking fire, taking fire.
Where the hell are you going? Get back to your team.
Okay. Follow in, Evil. Hang out
Stop,
here.
placing a mine over here.
Yeah.
I'm placing a mine.
We've got enemy activity. Marking position now.
Got people.
Hmm?
You back? Oh, you're good, you're good, you're good.
Watching these 2 doors over here.
Frag out. Come in mierda, culeros. Minefield.
We got anti-personnel mines over here. Frag out! Eat it, fuckers! We got anti-personnel mines over... He's gone.
Didn't even fucking see me until I started plowing him.
Here we go. Frag out.
Man down, man down.
Fuck. Blew myself up.
It's history.
Are you still in the same building?
Nope. I moved across. That's how I got that kill.
Oh, that
He was
guy
in the building.
that killed me was in there. He was walking around in there, didn't even frickin' see me.
Oh, he left. I was fucking gonna revive him, but I kept getting pings to my left.
I'm under fire. Frag out.
One hostile remaining.
Hostiles lost visual.
Enemy
Nice.
forces neutralized.
Good shit.
Yeah, good job.
See what patience gets you?
Mm-hmm.
I killed both of them in the same room. I waited for him to come revive him. I waited.
I didn't get nothing. Wow.
So that guy left because he saw that I was so close, but didn't come and revive him after I blew up. Well, because I threw the grenade, blew it up, moved that in that room, saw that guy in that building across from me, took him out, and I just sat there because I kept getting pings behind me, so I stayed. I took my instinct and I stayed. Well, me staying got that second kill. I think I'm gonna smoke me a victory bowl for that shit. What does my crew think?
I think it's a good idea.
I have a few people saying it's a good idea. I don't think I had, anybody
What?
anything. Look what it's done. And like literally, I'm a fucking shitty player, but I've learned that if you have patience, you'll find your mark. You just gotta fucking get it when you just gotta take it when you find it. Here you go. Thing is, I was gonna revive him. I was just kind of just waiting, but
Well, it's just people that are being impatient and want you to just run in there and get yourself killed, and that's not how it is.
the way that I see it, when I'm down, it gives myself an opportunity to help my teammates to look around and try to cover their back while I'm down. Maybe they can work themselves to me, in the process.
Yeah.
But I don't want them to put their self in shit just to come and revive me.
Right.
Some of these guys are noticing that I'm getting better. They're like, where the fuck is Pipe? They can't ever really mark me. I gotta change my outfit.
Yeah, how did somebody already get that before that page even came up?
It's all about the loading, the guy. I'm still trying to figure out.
You want sniper, Evil? You want?
That's what I always run.
Take it.
That's pretty much what I run. Oh, I'm good.
Oh. Yeah.
I got Sentinel.
Yeah, if I'm not sniper, I'm a stalker, so if you want to use the sniper, I could back off and pull sniper. Yeah, but what's up? I'm watching. I could see. Well, oh, you got the Crash Bandicoot, Papa? We own it already. Yeah, we own those already, baby. Just gotta download them. Is our profile on there? Because if our profile is on this thing, you can.
Hunt down and eliminate hostile forces.
Fuck, I'm made. Hostiles are going loud. Broke visual with the enemy.
Picking up a signal from the Recon tower. It'll be active soon.
Frag out. Get some.
The Recon tower is back online.
Heads up. We've got enemy activity. Marking. Under fire. That's a kill. Enemy's lost visual. Clear. They've got a fix on me. Broke visual with the enemy. Taking heavy fire here. Fuck, I'm made. He's history. Mother, I'm taking fire. They got me marked. Hostiles are going loud. Hostiles lost visual.
One hostile remaining. Let's get this done.
Taking
Shit,
fire.
man down.
Ah, God, I'm bleeding.
Throwing a flashbang.
Step it up. We're running out of time.
Just a flesh wound. Yo, watch out for the flashbang.
Hunt down and eliminate hostile forces in the area.
Heads up. We've got enemy activity. The alarm is disabled. They've got a fix on me.
Hey, I'm placing a mine.
Enemy's lost visual. I'm clear.
Taking
Hostiles are
heavy
going
fire!
wild. Heads up. We've got enemy activity.
I'm hit. I'm hit.
Get your ass up. We've got enemy activity. Mark.
Picking up a signal from the Recon tower.
I'm under fire. Heads up. We've got enemy activity.
The Recon tower is back online.
selfish like that, I wouldn't even pick your ass up.
I gotcha.
God damn, that was close.
What the? Oh.
They got me marked. We've got enemy activity. Marking position now.
That ain't nothing.
Man down, man down.
Thanks, sir. Oh, what?
He's in our spawn. Wow. Awesome.
Keep the pings going. Shit.
Where the hell are you going? Get back to your team.
Hostiles are going loud. They've got a fix on me. Taking heavy fire here.
One hostile remaining. Let's get this done.
Heads up. We've got enemy activity.
You're probably gonna get stunned if you go out the door.
Pick my moves carefully. As long as people give me pings and they see people, I'm good.
Quit crying.
Alright, I can heal one of you from here. Evil, get down as soon as I heal you.
So not me up.
Oh.
Step it up. We're running out of time.
I can do it, I can do it. Oh, I can't do it like I did. Yeah.
Hang on.
We've got enemy activity. Marking position now.
Going down.
Man down.
Mm-hmm.
Frag out. Get some.
That guy was way off the map.
Yeah, he was way out there. No wonder we couldn't find him.
down and eliminate hostile forces in the area.
Man down, man down.
Wow. I had two of them go right through his face. I had two go right through that dude's face, bro. And then he sniped me through the rock. Wow. Don't need to worry about me. Just hide. Oh. I'm gonna watch my body hard even.
Why are you following back with me?
Because it's gonna cover you.
Okay, that's good enough for me. That's good enough for me.
But he's dead ahead. He's gonna be watching my body. He's dead ahead.
That's what I'm watching for, kind of too, is when he shoots again.
Okay,
So I know where he's at.
stay over there by the big rocks cover, but peek out and that way to lay down cover fire so I can at least get over there to Helen.
Okay, give me a second. I'm trying to stay low.
No, you're good. I kind of got eyes on the tower too, but I'm kind of peeking it from a bush. I don't see him, but that doesn't mean he's not there.
Well, if nothing else, I could be a distraction. Alright, go. He's in the tower, I think.
You can come down from the peak if you want. We're gonna go get
Recon tower is back
Ranger.
online.
Yeah, I was feeling a little exposed up there.
We'll flank over here. Alright.
Oh, which way?
Yeah, flank that way. We're gonna let Stalker do his thing. There might be people that he might find that we don't, you know. I'm gonna go do the rescue squad.
Okay.
But I do need you to be there to, or you. Okay.
I need to kind of be able to see you too, so I can...
Everybody watch their corners when they move. You need to shoot a barrel to make a distraction to go for it.
Oh, I might. I got one right there in the corner. Ooh.
These guys are playing fucking really tactical.
Oh, you gotta be kidding me. It won't let me slide under the trailer. That would have been sick if I could have.
Where'd they get you from, Kane? Tower? I see your body. I'm working it. I think I just saw something. Yep, I saw something move up in the tower.
The square,
yeah.
The metal one?
No, the concrete one. The one that's northwest.
Okay.
This one. They're in. I just saw fucking somebody in between the doorway and the. Alright, give me just a second.
Well, I'm guinea pig. I'm exposed, so they stick their head out. Either.
Yeah, someone's passing by. Let me.
Take it easy.
I'm off in the
Under heavy
tower.
fire.
Fucking other side of the fence.
Oh. Does that mean you're down now too?
Yep, and we're body on body. Just watch that tower. If you guys just watch that tower.
One just went up in the other tower.
He's gone.
Nice. Okay. So as long as we keep eyes on that fucking tower and that fence. Oh, there's another one in the tower. Another one in the tower, right there.
In the same one?
Shit.
Damn it.
Yeah.
You got me.
Yo,
Fuck.
I got anti-personnel mines.
Oh. He's in that tower. He was off to the left. Uh-oh. Someone just got revived. Gonna be that guy. Two guys in the tower. One just came down.
Oh, on the stairs. On the stairs. He went down and came back
one's
up.
still up there. One's still up there.
He's reviving me. Hold on. Shit.
Oh, he popped up at the last second. He's still standing right up. Yeah, he got you.
Nice. That was good, Brown. It was very testy. Yeah, these guys are playing very, very sneaky.
I like that map.
Yeah. We were kicking ass on it earlier. You actually got a few kills.
I got 175, I think, on this one.
150.
Or 50, yeah. Better than seeing zeros on there.
So, say goose egg. Now we just need to get your kill goose egg up.
Alright.
I mean, like I said, you've been fucking awesome today. You've actually got quite a few kills.
Oh, yeah, I got more today than I had before.
It really depends on who you're playing with and how you're playing, and I'm gonna go hunt me some rabbits. Oh shit, I just got fucking marked.
I almost want to stay way out here.
That's what you feel.
For when they get up in them towers.
Just stay to where you can. You can see them, but not them see you.
Yeah.
No, I'm hunting rabbits.
Yeah, I can see all three towers from right where I'm at.
Okay.
The furthest concrete one is a little bit hard to see, but because of the haziness, but I could see the windows in it.
Okay, just keep my eyes on things.
Nope.
Picking up a signal from the Recon tower. It'll be active soon.
Yeah, 'cause I'm moving.
Tango down.
Because I think the way that they flanked us last time is they walked around the fucking border.
Mm-hmm.